Let me tell y'all, every time that I go in a beauty supply store and I see these cheap eyeshadow, I'm always wondering, can these eyeshadow really pay off? So this one I picked up from a beauty supply store is from Clara Cosmetic, and I paid $3 for it. And let me tell y'all something, I am really excited to see if I can really get some color payoff from this palette. And these are what the shade look like. I already primed my eyes and I use a Juvia's Place Prep and Prime in shade 2. So I'm gonna look and see what color I want to wear, because what I'm wearing, I'm gonna stay neutral. So I may be gonna stay these 3 colors. Yeah. And let's see what we can create with this. And I'm gonna still do the same process like I normally do, which is go right over the lid. So that's the transition color. I'm gonna keep it really low. So you guys already see that color really picked up, right? Yeah. So let's blend that color in. I like to take my transition color like right up in the brows area here, so there's no disconnect. And I like to pull it down like right there. Ooh. So shocked. All right, so I want the blue to stay right there. Like seriously. So this $3 eyeshadow from the beauty supply store, is this pigmented? So let's put on some lashes and put on my eyeliner, and that's it. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. I really love this eyeshadow. I will definitely always have this for $3. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.